With this ultimate streaming tool, you can combine chats of all the streaming platforms you're currently streaming to. The setup is super simple and it takes no longer than a few minutes. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. But first things first, what you have to do is download the program called Casterlabs Caffeinated. So this program is available completely for free and you can do so much with it. The link will be down in the description below. This video is not sponsored. I just love the program. It is so simple. So just click on the download for Windows right over here. It will download the program, and once you download it, you can just install it, and then I'll show you how to set it up. When you open it for the first time, it will do some updates if it does have some, and then it will open up the program just like this. So you can see Casterlabs Caffeinated dashboard. So you have the dashboard over here with a bunch of different settings. We don't want to change any of that. We want to go to settings first and then set everything up. Before we do any of these settings, we want to go to accounts and then connect all of our accounts that we're going to be streaming to. So if you're streaming on Twitch, connect Twitch. If you're streaming on Kick, connect Kick. And if you're streaming on YouTube, TikTok, or whatever, make sure to connect all of these platforms. And when you do connect them, you will be able to read the chat through the program itself. Super easy. You can also connect the music services, which are, you can use the Windows system. You can use Spotify and even Pretzel. So it does show you like which songs are playing, and people can do like song requests and a bunch of different things. If you are using Streamlabs and you want to have different alerts pop up every time there's an alert going on, all you have to do is just go to Streamlabs alert and then sign in and basically connect Casterlabs to Streamlabs. If you don't use Streamlabs, then you can go to appearance over here and then change all these appearance over here. So you have like a bunch of themes. You have the Casterlabs one, you have bronze, you have the noir, which is like gray, cyberpunk is red. I like the Casterlabs one. It's just, it looks, minimalistic and nice. Appearance, I always use dark theme. Icons, you can set up different icons if you want. I'm using their default ones. The emojis, I use Tweemoji, and then that's basically it for the program itself. Now, how do we set up the actual chat? So if we go to dashboard, this is where the chat is. If you go over here, you can see all of the streaming platforms you have connected. So I have Twitch, and if I say anything, 1, 2, 3, it will say it on my Twitch account. If I go to Kick, I can do the same thing, but I think Kick, you cannot, oh, never mind, you still can. Before, you couldn't chat with the client itself, you could only read it, you couldn't reply to it, but now you can as well. So you can reply with Kick, you can reply with Twitch. If you want to see all the chats, you click on all, but you can also go to chatbot over here and you have basically all of the chatbot commands like Fossabot, Nightbot, Stream Elements, all of that. So if you want to use their stuff, you can do that as well. So what's most important for us is to go to the cogwheel in the bottom right of the dashboard and click here. And then here you can see all of the chat settings. So you have the color users by, and you can choose either the user color, the streaming platform, or the app primary theme. So you can have it, if they're coming in from Twitch, their name is going to be purple. If they're coming in from Kick, it's going to be green, and a bunch of different things. So you can, recognize who's who and stuff like that. You can also make it so it dings when a new message comes in. I think this is pretty annoying and it will just annoy your viewers. So definitely don't use that. You can also make it so it reads the messages out loud like a TTS. Text size, you can adjust it over here. Show timestamps is what I use. So it's, I can see when the message was sent, when it was received. Show badges, very cool thing. You can see the badges that they have on specific platforms like Twitch, YouTube or anything else. Show viewer, join, leave. I think this is a bit annoying, so I don't have this on. Show the user's platform, definitely what you should turn on, because then it shows their, by their name, it shows the icon of the platform they're using, either Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, all of that stuff. You can also show the activities in the chat itself. So if somebody follows you, it will be in the chat, which is perfect. Show the user's pronouns. You can also enable that if you have the pronouns plugin, so they can, use their own pronouns, and then you can see them in the chat and you don't have to ask. Use alternating message backgrounds if you want to change the backgrounds. I don't want to do that, but these are the cool, chat preferences you can enable. And look at this. You can see agent. So now that I, typed that message before, it shows my platform, which is Twitch. It shows that I'm partnered. It shows my Twitch badges. And on Kick, it shows my Kick icon, and it shows my, streamer icon as well, badge, basically. So you can see these unknown, that's basically the pronouns. If you disable them right here, it will be gone. And you can see right there, it's completely gone. So if you don't want to have the pronouns by their name, you can do that like this. And now how do we add this to OBS or whatever streaming platform you're using? It's super simple and it takes like 2 clicks. Let me show you how to do that. So all you have to do is go to Docs right over here, click on that, and then click on the Stream Chat. That's basically going to be the Stream Chat browser doc. You click on here, it's gonna copy the link, and then you take the OBS itself right over here, you put it on your monitor, you go into Docs, you go into Custom Browser Docs, and then you just name it multi, because I already have the multi-chat, but I'm gonna name it multi. And then I'm gonna paste this link right here for this widget, which is right over there. I click on apply, and it's going to pop up right there. So then I can just put it on the side, boom. And now I have the chat right on the side, and I can read Twitch, Kick, YouTube, TikTok, any chat all at once over here. Super simple. It's built into OBS, and that's it. All you have to do every time you open up your OBS is to open up Casterlabs, and then you just have the program open, and then it will be working. If you don't have it open, it will be like a very bright white image. So let me turn off my program, and you can see that it's just gonna be very, very bright white thing, like right here. So that doesn't mean that the program is broken, it's just not open. So if you see this, open the program, and then you can see all the chats built in. And that's how you can set up the multi-chat completely for free in just a few clicks. It is as easy as I said. Make sure to set it up. Let me know if it works. If you have any issues, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys did like the video, make sure to drop the like. It would mean the world. And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to see more of my OBS guides, make sure to check this video right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.